Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 25 lecture series, we will deal with the image view to display image in an Android with example. Image view is used to display the images. Very first we will set a sample image to image view, then when we click on a button the image is going to be changed. So let us elaborate the example of image view. Start your Android Studio, from File, New Project, Empty Activity, Next. Okay, my application, my image, language Java, API 15, and click on Finish. Our project has been loaded now. So what we will do, I will delete this default text view, delete it. Okay, from the wedges we have the image view, palette, wedges, image view, drag and drop it. Okay, so if you want to set default we are setting the default. Then here 10 and here is also 10. Okay, so this is what our image view. One thing we have to remember, that the images which we want to use we have to set. Okay, so initially we will copy the images which we want to use in this image view. So right now I am deleting this image view. How to add the images? Okay, you have to copy the images which you want. For example, from the pictures, suppose I want to use this tiger image, then copy this image. Okay, whatever image you want to copy it. Okay, now in the res folder in drawable we have to add this image. Okay, so right click on drawable and show in explorer. In the drawable folder we have to add the images which you want to use. Okay, again I want to use one more image. Then from the pictures, let us say I want to use the penguins. Then copy this image and paste into the drawable folder. Okay, so these two images are in our drawable folder, which we are going to use in a image view. Okay, now let us see. Close it. From the palette, wedges, image view, just drag it on our layout. Okay, now from here you can select any one of. So I will choose the tiger. Okay, now set the coordinates for this. So let us say here I will set to left margin. Okay, so this is what our image view, and we will add a button. When we click on a button, the next image will be set to this. Okay, so this is what our configuration. Let us run this. So activity has been launched. Now you can see. Okay, this is what the tiger image which we have set into the image view. When I click on a button, this image should be changed. Okay, so I will write the code for this here, change. Okay, so the ID for button is button, and for the image view is image view 2. So I will map this image view, alter enter to import the class, alter enter. Then I have a button B, again alter enter to import the class. Okay, so now map both the things. IV equal to image view, find view by id, r dot id dot image view 2. Okay, very similarly button B equal to button find view by id, r dot id dot, we have a button. Now when we click on button, the image view should be changed. So B dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, so here IV dot set image resource. Okay, IV dot set image resource, r dot drawable. In drawable we have the penguins. Okay, here penguin, tiger initially we have said, now we will use the penguins. Okay, so as soon as I click on the button, the image will set to the penguin image. Now we will see this. Let us run the configuration. When I click on this button, the image will be set to the penguin. Okay, so activity has been launched. When I click on change, the image will set to the penguin. Okay, so this is what the image view in Android. You can see the output. When we click on change, the image will set to the penguin image. Okay, so this is what the image view in Android. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel for the latest update on Android, and please don't forget to like and comment. Thank you so much.